Then let's talk about minor role. Minor role, or role adjustment in general, is found in Chapter 3. There's a 4-level reduction and a 2-level reduction. For years, judges would only give 2 levels off for what's called minor role. How would we figure out the role in the offense? Well, we would focus on how the defendant comprehended the scope and structure of criminal operation, how the defendant level of involvement in planning or organizing the criminal activity, the decision-making authority, meaning the extent to which the defendant exercised or influenced the decision-making authority, active participation, meaning the nature, extent, responsibility, and discretion involved in the defendant's actual criminal acts, and finally, the financial interest, the degree to which the defendant stood to benefit from the criminal activity. And on this last factor, what really we were focusing on is not how much money the individual would make, not the flat fee, but rather would the individual be getting a flat fee or percentage off of profits. Of course, if somebody was getting a percentage off of profits, that means that individual was much more involved. So the federal judge would look at these 5 factors, balance them, and then figure out whether the individual would receive 2 levels off for what's called minor role.